Hello from Pakaboo. Today we are here with our video on the ferry ride from Ghogha to Hazira in Gujarat. We booked the tickets on the dgseaconnect website and it was pretty easy to book them. We've mentioned a link down below. We've parked our car here. Now we wait for the ferry to be docked. It is scheduled to leave from the Ghogha terminal at 3 o'clock. Till then, we wait over there. Once the ferry was docked and ready for passengers, we were guided to the entry area. They gave us masks and wristbands that were compulsory for everyone to wear on the ferry, and all the cars were lined up to board the ferry then. So it's almost 4 now and the ferry has still not started. Everyone is just sitting, we're just waiting for the ferry to move. So we're finally sailing. The ferry started at 4 o'clock, an hour late, which is not a good start to the ride. But now we're in the sea. Let's see, let me show you that. To say the ferry is crowded will be a gross understatement at this point. So there are 3 types of classes on the ferry. The first one is executive, second one is business, and the Cambay Lounge. Each class had its own little cafe with a menu full of snacks and beverages at an affordable price. So it's 7:30 now and we're still here. We have to reach somewhere around here. We were scheduled to reach there by 7. It's 7:30 and we're still here. Don't know when we'll reach and when the ferry will dock. It's going to be really late. So we're finally in the car now. It's 9 o'clock. The ferry has docked onto the port, but there are still a lot of cars ahead of us. Hopefully we'll be out in maybe another 20 minutes or so. Overall, this was a satisfactory experience. If you don't have your own vehicle or you want to bypass the 400-kilometer drive between Bhavnagar and Surat, this is a really good option for you. And you can of course enjoy a scenic ride in the ocean. Until next time, like, share and subscribe to our channel.